YouTube is a popular platform for creators to earn money. Ready to turn your channel into a revenue stream? Here are 13 proven ways to make money. Join the YouTube Partner Program, YPP, to earn money from ads. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year. Offer exclusive perks like behind-the-scenes content or early access to videos for a monthly fee, available to YPP creators. Engage your audience during live streams and let them support you via super chats and stickers. Promote your own merchandise like clothing or accessories through your channel using platforms like Teespring. Place affiliate links in your video descriptions to earn commissions on products you recommend using programs like Amazon Associates. Collaborate with brands to create sponsored content. Get paid to promote products that align with your niche. Create and sell digital products like ebooks or online courses, marketing them through your videos. If you're creating viral YouTube shorts, you can qualify for payouts from YouTube's Shorts Fund. Platforms like Patreon allow fans to support you through donations, providing exclusive value in return. License high-quality content to media outlets or advertisers to earn money from unique footage. Position yourself as an expert and use YouTube to attract clients for coaching or consulting services. Engage your audience in funding specific projects using platforms like Kickstarter, offering exclusive perks. Revisit old videos by adding updated descriptions and affiliate links to ensure continuous income. By combining multiple revenue streams, you can maximize your earnings on YouTube, provide value, and engage your audience.